This is the Hudway heads-up display. Unboxing. Including the package is a Pup Your Ride sticker by Hudway. Information. Here is a card on one of the more popular apps. Accessory. Here is the base plate. It's just plastic with, I'm guessing, 3M tape at the bottom. Cloth cleaner. Dash wipe. And some of the free apps. With the promo code. And here's the Hudway device. Here's where you attach the base plate. Here's a glass that will reflect the image. And some more accessories. Here are the 6 most popular downloadable apps for the Hudway. Here I'm just going to go through the apps really quickly. Now most of the apps you can add widgets to them, and so you could customize it to your own liking. One of the things you're going to want to find in the app is the HUD, so you can activate the reflection so it reflects right. As you can tell, the apps have a great graphic display, and so it's easy through once reflected. One of the features I really enjoy is the gas meter and internet radio. Now, a lot of the apps, what you have to do is you have downloadable maps for your state or country. Now, a lot of these apps have pay for premium options, which enhances the Hudway experience. So to use the device, you put the base and you just glue it on top, and put the smartphone, make sure to press the HUD option, and then it will reflect perfectly. And as you can tell, it doesn't move or fall, either the phone or the base. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.